Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'm using my current favorite product and skincare as well. So I'm going to walk you through what I use before my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave. And if you want to see this makeup look, just keep on watching. Start off with this Sephora Ultra Glow Toner. This has vitamin C and E, and I'm really loving it actually. It gives me a beautiful glow and hydration as well. So what I do in the morning, I just use some water, wash my face, and I go to the toner. I don't use any face wash. The next thing I'm going to do is moisturize my skin. I'm going to use this Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer. This is the Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I've been really loving this. I received this one in PR and I am really obsessed. I've been using it for over 2 weeks now. And this is a daily moisturizer powered by peptides, amino acids, ceramides, and collagen. It quickly doubles your hydration. Any skin type will love this because it's really amazing. It's very lightweight, it's hydrating, and it feels so pretty under makeup as well. Like it acts like a primer. It's very interesting texture. It goes on thick, but once you blend it in, it just feels so smoothing and hydrating. I really love it. It's good to firm your skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and also elasticity. So I'm really obsessed. I've been using it for over 2 weeks now. It feels like you have a skincare based primer, you know what I mean? Like it is just so amazing. It's not greasy, but it's hydrating and it's so beautiful. Like it gives you a beautiful glow as well if you can see it. If you're looking for a good moisturizer, I think this is really a good one to try. Next step is moisturizer with SPF. So I never skip this step at all, no matter what season I'm in. I always use my SPF. This is the Shiseido Ultra Sun Protection Lotion. This is 50 plus. And I really like moisturizers with SPF that work well under makeup because I do makeup every single day. So I don't like it to be greasy and heavy and gives you that white cast. I'm gonna use this LYS concealer. This is in the shade Medium Neutral 3. And I'm doing like very simple makeup today, you guys. Like this is what I wear on my daily basis. Not for work, but when I'm off, like weekends. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with this. This is a little bit dark. I got it in the summertime. So I'm gonna just blend it with a brush. It's very lightweight under the eyes as well. But the powder I have in my bag, it's this Gucci face. This is the Luxe Finish Powder, and this is in the shade 050. I use this one on the outer perimeter of my face, and I use it to set my eyelids as well. It's a little bit darker than my skin, so I use it for that reason. Sometimes I bronze with it. I've really been using it since I got it. And this is the Natash Denona. So this is the Zendo palette. And so I'm gonna be using this palette today. I'm gonna take this color balance. Blends so easily. And it's a beautiful color. So I'm going to take this dark chocolate brown color and I'm going to take it in the outer corner. I feel like this palette doesn't have good reviews on Sephora's website. I have no idea why. I haven't used all the shades, so I cannot speak for that. But I really like those brown shades that I've been using every day. And I don't know if I mentioned, I got this one in my BoxyCharm. I think it was the premium box. So I get this box like every 3 months. So I'm just taking this at the outer corner like that. And now I'm going to go back to the powder from Gucci and I'm just going to clean my lid with this. get it. This is just the Naked Lashes from Ardell Lashes, and I'm gonna use the 422. They're at the bottom. I used them yesterday, so I'm gonna wear them today. So I'm gonna apply my lashes and I will be back. I'm gonna prime my skin before I do my brows. So I'm gonna use this Dior. This is the Dream Skincare and Perfect. I really love this. I'm using it like every single day. It looks like this. It's like a light pink color. I've been really loving this Refi. This is the clear brow gel, and it has a spoolie on the lid. So if you take the lid off, you get the spoolie and the brush. Now I take the cap off and just brush my brows and stick them to my skin. And my favorite brow pencil at the moment is the Benefit. This is the Goof Proof brow pencil. This is in the shade 4.5. So I let this dry a little bit. I've been using this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. This is one of my absolute favorite foundations, and I just forgot about it. And I've been using it since, I don't know, like I think 10 days or so. And I give it a good shake. Just taking one pump here. Probably dark on me, but I will make it work with some concealer. It is so thin and beautiful and glowy. It has skincare benefit in it, so I really like those foundations that they can't actually do that. So I'm gonna bronze my skin before my concealer, and I'm really obsessed with this Merit Beauty. This is the sheer bronzer. This is in the shade Clay. This is a stick bronzer, and I'm really liking it, and it's very natural looking on the skin. I go back and forth between this one here and the Merit Beauty. This is the multi-stick foundation, and you can use it as a bronzer, concealer, whatever you want. So this is in the shade Amber, and I do take a little bit of this as well, and I'm just going to do that. I really like to use them both on their own, but combined is just so beautiful. I like how this blends. It blends so easily. I'm just gonna blend it with the same brush here. It gives you warmth without being too much. Use this emotion proof concealer. This is the Tom Ford concealer. Unfortunately, the doe foot brush broke on this, but I'm still using it. It's really a nice concealer. It is so expensive. I don't think it's worth $65. I can't remember how much I got it for, but yeah, it's not worth it. Really like the way it wears throughout the day. It's very long wearing, and also crease proof. Yeah, it's sweat proof. It doesn't crease. It's expensive because it's Tom Ford, but it's not worth $65. I think I got it when I had the 20% off, or it was, I believe it was like, you know, when you get these coupons that says $25 off of 50, something like that. So I did use it. Be using this turn up the base from One Size. This is in the shade light number 2 neutral. I'm gonna use this one with a sponge, and I'm just gonna set the concealer. I just use the minimum amount, just like that. And I like to go back and forth with the sponge just to kind of blend it out so it doesn't look heavy or cakey. I'm just going to take it on my chin here, basically where I applied my concealer. I'm going to go to this Merit Beauty. This is the highlighter stick. This is the shade Cava. And what I do, I just warm it up with my fingers like that. It goes beautifully on top of creams or powder. So I'm going to just tap it with my finger like that. Gives you the most beautiful, healthy glow. It's just so beautiful, very natural looking again. And it's clean at Sephora. I really like it. It's so pretty. I'm just going to take this highlighter again with a brush. And I'm just going to go to the inner corner, so I don't have to use, another highlighter. I'm going to use Almay blush. This is in the shade 100, Nearly Nude. And this looks so pretty, very warm, shimmery. I really like it for this time of the year and the summertime because it's very glowy and bronzy at the same time. Just like so. It's so pretty. And so pretty. I'm going to go back to the Natash Denona palette. I'm going to pick up this shade mixed with a little bit of this dark brown one. I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. Take this dark brown shade from the palette and I'm just going to stamp it close to the lash line just for a smoky look, and it always looks nice. This is the Item Beauty. This is Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. I've been using this one for the bottom lashes. It looks really good, and the wand is very tiny, as you can see. It's beautiful for lengthening for sure, but I do love it because it's tiny and it just fits there perfectly. And it's super black. And I'm just gonna blend the natural and the fake lashes together, just like that. I use Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat, and this is in the shade Iconic Nude. And for lips, I'm really obsessed with this shade from Lawless, and this is called 90s. It's a little bit maybe deeper, but it's so pretty. And when I feel it's too dark, I kind of go like this with my finger. And this is very long wearing. If my lips are a little bit dry, I go with a gloss, and my favorite gloss at the moment is the lip gloss that I'm obsessed at the moment with this combo here. It's this Buxom. This is called Sugar Drop. I'm not too sure if this is like a limited edition color, but I love Buxom glosses. They are, I think, the best in my opinion. They're not goopy, they don't stick together, and they have a beautiful high shine. I think they do make the best glosses in my opinion. I really like them. They have so many colors, and I do have a few of their nude colors. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm gonna change my top and I will be back. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.